The cord symbolizes infinity, an ending love, binding husband and wife like strong cord that shall never be broken. This point of time, I would like to ask the cord sponsor to uncord and then followed by the bill sponsor to unveil.
Okay, hello, mic test. Alright, time check. Change outfit. Time check guys, 2:35. So we are now, mga 1 hour and 30 minutes pa bago matapos ang Pero tapos na yung program natin. So now we are going to have fun na lang. Kakain muna tayo ng pika-pika. Guys, gutom na talaga masyado guys. Parang babagsak na yung pilok ko sa kagutom. Ayan si Miss Joselle, kaya pa. So, kuha ka na ng kuha ka muna ng snacks. Tatay. Okay. So, kuha muna tayo ng konting snacks, guys. Kahil is here, what did you like? Did you like the dessert? What you gotta do with the dessert? You like the Oreo? Okay. So, kuha lang tayo ng konting pika-pika before we proceed sa ating pictorials kasi gutom na talaga. So, si Bride tsaka si Groom andun pa sa harapan. Ay, hindi. Nagbihis pala si Bride for the next part of the wedding. Okay. So, kami, dito muna kami. Ang ganda ng ng pika-pika today. Sorry. Ayan. Kuha muna tayo ng pagkain. So, when it comes to guest, guys, very intimate lang talaga na kung sino yung part ng entourage, yun din yung bisita. Kaya wala talaga masyadong tao to. Very, siya, private. Kaya nga, intimate no? Kaya private ulit-ulit. Kain muna tayo, guys. Ang gutom, Gutom. Kamusta naman ang pakiramdam natin pagkatapos ng kasal?
Hello po. But yeah, we're so happy, like finally. Finally.
Tanawa guys.
What can you say?
Ilang tinapay ang nakain mo?
Siguro mga 3. Tinapay pa lang yun ha, wala pang burger.
Wala pa yung pika-pika ba? Gutom no. Then you made the honor. Buhay pa, buhay.
A few moments later.
Okay, so andito lang tayo sa Secret Garden for the second shoot ng wedding. Hindi pa pala nagbibihis si Bride, mamaya pa. So meron pa kaming program I think for 1 hour bago matapos yung overall guys. Program ng kasal. And then next we will be at the house na ni Madam Ten Gibbs. Tuloy tayo dun. Ayan. So andito lahat ng mga bridesmaid, ang groomsmen, maid of honor. Okay, picture na. Mahirap sis na part ng wedding.
Wala naman sis kasi mahal na mahal ko yung bride.
Ay, plastic.
Yes.
Sabi mo kanina may mahirap eh.
Wala nga, okay lang.
Ha? Sa venue diretso, sabi ng kapatid ko, pinakamahirap daw na part is ang pictorials at videography part. Which is totoo naman talaga kasi from 6 AM to 7 AM, I believe nag-makeup. Then 7 to 12, bakbakan, photoshoot, video. Then 1 PM yung program hanggang 2:30. And then after 2:30, video and photos ulit. So sobrang, eto yung mga klase ng part ng wedding na nakakapagod by the way. Tsaka nakaka-overwhelm. Kung overwhelming sa amin na entourage, how much more sa bride at groom, diba? Pero okay lang, imagine kung walang organizer ang isang kasal. Pakagulo. Pero dati siguro yung mga kasal dati, wala namang mga picture, video, no? Diretso na.
Pero ngayon ang hirap kasi maraming documentation, guys. Ako nga, hindi na ako makablog. Sabi ni Bride, manood daw siya ng behind the scene. Ano behind the scene? Ipakita natin. Ay, pagod. Lakad lang tayo ng konti. Buti nga, isang lugar lang yung venue at saka yung hotel at saka reception. Paano pag 3 lugar? Mas sobrang nakakapagod yun. Nakaka-stress. Pero kaya pa, Kiribels pa. Nag-enjoy naman ang lahat. Mamaya, basta gagawa tayo ng review. Ng overall review natin for the wedding. Ay, ay mga auntie ko, oh. Kapagod man, oy.
Stand together with our best man, our team, Oy, my steppings! Come on! That's fair! Let's go! Come on! Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, this is it. The moment that we've been waiting for. I would like to request everyone to please stand. Tumayo po tayong lahat. At sa lubangin ng isang masigabong palakpakan as everybody say, hey, 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 hey!
Hey, 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 hey!
What's couple? Sherry and Lori, our Mr. and Mrs. Capacine! Thank you so much! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Palakpakan po natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, everyone, and be safe. I just love the energy and, of course, the vibe coming from our newlywed couple. O, ganahan kaayo atong audience, kaya dili na lagi sila mulingkod. Kaya ganahan ko, for the record, this is the very first couple I hosted.
Thousand years later.
Rescue kita. Ayan, so from Manila to Eli and Fern and Father, thank you so much. From Davao, di basta-basta akong mga bisita, lagyan kayo. From Davao, Sir Joel and Mami. Ayan, from Cebu. Thank you so much. Grabe, wala mo diri karon tanan, daghang salamat. Wala mo diri karon kung wala mo'y gugma. As in, wala man na ka ng mga pamasay, mga gasto, wala na. Ang tinuod nga nagpigbabaw ang inyong gugmag yun sa amuang. Maong naa mo diri karon mo thank you so much. Attach you in. Okay na to, ano si Jerry. Thank you! Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. To our Miss Jerisbeth Capacete. Another little girl in the house. Wow. We're making every minute beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the gratitude dance of our group together with his two kids. Maraming salamat. And of course, the moment is all yours, our beautiful bride. Ladies and gentlemen. I know it will always be the part of success of our dear bride today, Glory. Her mother, dancing with love. I know your mom is so proud of you. Ladies and gentlemen, embrace this moment as I am about to move on to another dance of our beautiful bride, Glory, with Mr. Jericho K. Capacete. Embrace your mama, Jericho, as you feel the love today. Ladies and gentlemen, this ends the gratitude dance of our dear Jerry and Glory. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you so much, Faith. We do share our love and support to our newlywed couple. We have our drop box over here. You can drop your gift anytime you want. Ladies and gentlemen, this is now the first song for the Prosperity Dance. Once again, I give you Jerry and Glory. Guests, the stage is all yours. Let's see who will be the very first to show the love to our newlywed couple. I can really see the beautiful ladies doing signs, saying, "Let's go, girls!"
Yun ang ilang mo. Tapos lagi mo isipin yung magagandang ginawa niya, huwag yung pangit na ginawa niya. Yung always, diba, magkatampuhan kayo, always na ilagay mo na yung sa utak mo yung magagandang nangyari sa inyo. Huwag yung mga masama para ma-patch up agad. Maano agad yung love pa. Oo, yun yung ano ko, kasi sa marriage namin, sa ano namin, sa aming magsasama, siya kasi nag-a-adjust. Oo, siya ang nag-a-adjust, kaya siya ang magpayo sa inyo. Kasi aminado ako, magita talaga ako. Hindi ako ever since na nagsama kami, never ako humingi ng sorry sa kanya.
Wow, sana all.
Kaya, siya ang paanin ko sa inyo. Kasi, magita ako ng asawa.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
First of all, congratulations and best wishes to the both of you. Actually, ang mga nakikaibigan ni na Jerry, si Yeda, ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit namit namin sila and all the rest of our blood team. Hindi namin sugat akalain na hindi lang pala individual yung aming magiging kaibigan, kundi isang family yung naging kaibigan namin.
Wow.
Even though in so short a time that we've been known to each other, halos nakilala na namin sila. Kasi parang sabi nga ng misis ko, halos pareha sila. Parehas kami nagdarasal ni Jerry na one time darating ang panahon na mag-sorry naman sila. Nababasa ko sa mata ni Jerry, kahit hindi siya magsasabi, we are on the same shoes. Huwag kong mag-alala, hindi kita iiwan. Lalo pala ngayon. And we are so fortunate enough that you've chosen us, even though in so short a time na nakakilala tayo, you've chosen us as your godparents, as your second parents. And for us, it's really a no to us to say no if we were invited to become godparents, especially to families like this. Kasi sabi nga nila, kaya ka kinuha godparents dahil may trust sa'yo, dahil may tiwala sa'yo. At tamang-tama yung decision ni Jerry, dahil marami siyang matututunan sa akin. One is humility.
Oh, yes.
Kasi kung hindi humble sa mag-partner, sa mag-asawa, kung walang humble sa inyong mag-asawa, madali kayo mag-separate. Two, there's always a rule in the house. The commander is always right. When the commander, number two, when the commander is wrong, refer to rule number one. Yung tandaan mo palagi, Jerry, para hindi ka magkamali. Napakasaya lang kasi sabi nga ni Glory na ang in-invite lang niya is those close to them and those that are important persons to them. And we're lucky enough to be one of them. Kahit sandali pa lang tayo nakikita. Sana, sabi nga ni Pastor kanina, always God at the center of your life. Because whatever you do in life, kahit ano pagsisikap natin, kahit ano pa yung ginagawa natin sa buhay, pag wala ang Diyos sa buhay natin, everything will be a futile exercise. Kaya sana huwag natin kalimutan, palagi tayo magdasal. And most importantly, dear, bago matulog, always say, before you close your eyes, before you sleep, always say, I love you, dear. And one, isang maigpit na yakap araw-araw, nakakapalakas ng relationship ng mag-asawa. Isang yakap lang. Gawin mo yan at lalong titibay ang inyong relationship. Kung kulang pa yung nasabi ko, mamaya, bulungan mo lang ako, sikretohin ko lang sa iyo. That will be all. Salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you very much.
May dagdag ako si Glory. Kung kailangan mo ng na pag maglayas ka, mag-away kayo, andito ako kasi pabalikin kita kay Jerry. Pabalikin kita kay Jerry. And then, pag nag-away kayo, wag niyong, ganito ang namin dalawa hindi namin hayaan na darating ang umaga na hindi kami magkaayos. Yan ang isa naming sikreto.
Pero bilangin mo kung ilang umaga yun muna.
Tsaka Jerry, huwag umalis ng bahay na hindi maghang at kiss kay Glory. Isa yan sa talagang magpa-inlove kay Glory. Kaya ako nakapagtiis ng ganitong haba.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, to our Ninang and Ninong. Our Mr. and Mrs. Consulta. Moving on. Grabe, mali-mali. Langga. Wow! Girl, congratulations. Okay. Pila man ang una gipautang. Mga pila man ang una nga gihulam ni Glory kay Jerry. Wala din. Nagbuot na ba? Pila ang ilang anak karon?
A few moments.
And it turns out that the broken ones have the power to heal each other. Thank you for loving me. Hindi ko alam kung magawa ko para bigyan ako ng Panginoon, taong mahal na mahal ako. Nakita ko kung paano hinahanap pamilya ko just like your own. After 14 years, it's a long journey lang ka. And now, finally, we are getting married. pag-sacrifice sa pagtatako sa amo. Even though gibiyaan na mo of early age, nagyapon ka magkinan ang mga blessings. Married na ka, pero decide ka na kung married ka na, nagyapon si mama. Okay. Nagyapon si mama.
Okay.
Kung sa may mga problema ka, naalagay ko. So, happy ko, happy ka sa ron. So forever na happy. Love you, God. Thank you, God. Maganda diri sa madugay paabot na love you. Maraming salamat sa mga pangalaman sa pagtulang sa tuwa sa tuwa. Muduogin ko forever ng katawan.
Blue label.
To support and cherish you in all the seasons of our life together. I vow to be your confidant, your partner in adventure, and your comfort in times of sorrow. I look forward to a lifetime of laughter, love, and growing old.
Location, bahay ni Madam Ten Gives. But first, tanggalin muna natin itong mga pilok natin na sobrang haba para tayong mga varve. Varve na hindi na benta, guys.
Sa likoda. Sure.
Oh, yan na. Normal na yung mata natin, guys. Ayan, ayan. Okay na. Okay na to. After party na. Guys. Bakit parang pagod na? Wala pa gani nag-start. Ay, ang bride lang ang fresh ba?
Siya na lang ang natin ko ng energetic.
Nakapila saan? Sa
Frozen Margarita.
Grabe. Merong pa-unli dito, guys. Okay. Okay pa ba kayo? Well, let me see. On this table, we have the best friends. Dito tayo na side. On this table, we have the groom and friends. Say hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Busy sila. Dito tayo na side. On this side, we have Auntie Christine with her sunrise. Cheers, Auntie. Very nice, Auntie. Your drink is very nice. Auntie, say mahubog. You know what is mahubog? Get drunk. I know pala, sorry. Wrong. Then let's go this way. We have food and yung setup para sa guest. So nagpa-set up din pala si Madam Ten Gives dito ng Rust-inspired na table for the important guest of honor. Yung walang honor, bawal mag-upo dito. Ay, sorry. So tayo guys, tamang support tayo ngayon. Hindi pa natatapos ang trabaho ng mga bridesmaids. Dahil tayo ay maid. Si Parts naman magjo-join din siya maya-maya kasama ang kanyang partner. Then si Giselle, hindi ko alam saan na napunta si Giselle. Nawala si Giselle guys. Message ko muna siya kung saan siya and then we'll get back to you. I'll see you more guys on today's episode.